Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to create a new component in Autodesk Fusion 360. Understanding components is absolutely essential for managing your designs, especially as they become more complex. Whether you are building a simple part or a multi-part assembly, creating separate components keeps your design tree organized and makes file management significantly easier. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Fusion 360 guides. Let's get started. First, open your existing design or start a new one in Autodesk Fusion 360. Once the interface loads, take a look at the left side of your screen. This area is called the Browser panel. It lists your design name, origin, and other folders. To create a new component, locate the very top item in the Browser panel, which is your design name. Right-click on that design name. A context menu will appear with several options. Click on New Component. A dialog box will now pop up asking for details. Enter a specific name for your component. Naming it correctly right away helps you stay organized later on. Once you have typed the name, click OK. You will now see the new component appear in the browser panel. It will have its own origin and folders for sketches and bodies. To start modeling inside this new component, you need to activate it. You can do this by clicking on the dot next to the component name or by right-clicking it and selecting Activate. When a component is active, any sketches or features you create will be stored inside that specific component. Now, there is a common issue some users face. If you cannot create a new component, especially in a brand new file, this usually happens because your file is set to part design instead of hybrid design. Part design is a newer setting intended for modeling a single part, but it can be confusing if you are looking for assembly tools. To fix this, go back to the browser panel and look for Document Settings. Expand that folder. Find the line that says Design Type. Right-click on Design Type and select Change to Hybrid Design from the menu. Fusion will warn you that this is a permanent change, so make sure you want to switch. Once you switch to Hybrid Design, right-click the design name at the top of the browser again, and you will now see the new component option is available. This allows you to have multiple components in the same design file, which is incredibly useful for assemblies. As a quick tip, remember that part design is best if you only plan to make one single part. Hybrid design is the way to go if you plan to build assemblies with multiple parts interacting together, and that's how you create a new component in Fusion 360. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button.